dear children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So kids, today we are going to start a new lesson from social studies, that is lesson number 9, our forest wealth, for class 4th. Or the 4th class student, take out your textbook, page number 138. Social studies. So this lesson is all about forest. Forest, there is only one word. Forest मतलब क्या है? जहाँ पे trees होते हैं, जहाँ पे झाड़ होते हैं. But among this forest, we have different types of फॉरेस्ट ऑल्सो. ठीक है, जहाँ पे अलग अलग टाइप के ट्रीज होते हैं, उनके अलग अलग टाइप के एक्टिविटीज, उनके अलग अलग टाइप के यू कैन से एक खूबियाँ होती है. ओके, सो देयर इज मैनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट जिसके अपनी एक इम्पोर्टेंस है. सो दिस लेसन इज ऑल अबाउट द फॉरेस्ट, व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड. ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट. So it is said that a large area where you have so many trees, that are called as what? Forest. Okay, so the forest covers about 22% of the total area of our country. हमारे एरिया में 22% लैंड है जहाँ फॉरेस्ट ट्रीज है. Okay, but this is not enough. We also have forest at over the Himalayas, Western Ghats, northeastern hills, Sundarbans, the Tarai, and the highlands of central India. Okay, so apart from this 22%, you see how many places are there where you can find different types of forest also. So uses of forest, हमें forest क्यों use होते हैं? Guess what are the any ideas? Yeah, हमें forest paper, जैसे forest से paper बनता है, right? And so many things are there, wood, furniture. So these are the uses of forest. Apart from this, there are many uses. What are you there? So we get number of things from forest and for our daily use as well as for the industries. So industries and for our daily use, जो भी चीज़ हमें चाहिए वो हमें forest से मिलती है. Like some of them are timber, fuel wood, pulp, resin, honey like gum, cane, grasses and medicinal herb. So timber, why it is used? It is used for building houses and for making furniture, as well as it is used as a tools and for agricultural implements. So this timber is very important, where it is not helpful for us to building a house, but also it is used for making agricultural implements. And pulp, it is used as a soft wood. We get this pulp from a soft wood and it is used for making what? Making paper. So there are many other uses of the forest. Apart from giving us the essential commodities, we have the other uses of forest, that it provides rainfall to us. बारिश होती है, वो soil erosion को check करते हैं, floods को control करते हैं. They gives us the fresh air. If you are having forest, definitely we can breathe fresh air like oxygen, which is very important for us to inhale. And they make climate cool and pleasant. And forest is not only useful to human, but it also useful to the animals, because forest उनका घर है. Many animals live there. अगर forest को cut कर देंगे तो वो animals आपके घर में आके रहने लग जाएंगे, right? So that's why forest is very important. We should not cut the trees, because that is a home for other animals. Okay, and they attract tourists from far or near. So types of forest, there are many types of forest. First one is the evergreen forest or tropical rain forest. Evergreen forest, why it is called evergreen? Because every month it is green. Okay, so this forest green remain green all around the year, and they are found in the hot and rainy parts, particularly in the hills of Western Ghats and northeast India. So the trees of this forest are very high, like about 50 to 60 meters long. Okay, 50 to 60 meters tall. So these trees grow slow, go close together, that even the sun and rays of the sun barely pass through them. तो ये एक दूसरे के साथ इतने चिपके हुए होते हैं and इतने long होते हैं कि sun की shadow या sun के rays जमीन तक नहीं आते, right? And because they are very close to each other, and they that उसके झाड़, उसके पत्ते इतने घने होते, इतने इतने सारे होते हैं कि sun rays cannot pass. Okay, and the wood is very hard, for example like rosewood, mahogany, ebony. Next is what deciduous or monsoon type of forest. So these are the forests who shed their leaf summer से पहला. At the beginning, now we know that we are starting summer. So summer से पहला जब हम देखते कोई trees के जो leaves shed हो रहे हैं, so it means that is called as what deciduous forest. So such trees are found in the monsoon area like about 100 to 200 centimeter rain. जहाँ पे भी बारिश होती है 200 centimeter तक, you can find this type of forest. Okay, that's the reason it is also called as what monsoon type of forest. So the common trees which are grown is teak, sal, shisham, sandal. Okay, the timber is very useful and it is very costly. जो इसकी wood होते हैं, okay, वो बहुत costly भी होते हैं, and the forests are mostly found in the wetter parts of the southern plateau and also along the foothills of the Himalaya. So in our country they cover more than the एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट. तो हमारे कंट्री में एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट से ज़्यादा हमारे पास डेसिडियस एंड मॉनसून टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट पाई जाती है. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट थॉर्नी श्रब्स और ड्राई फॉरेस्ट. सो वेयर एवर द रेनफॉल इज लेस लाइक डेजर्ट एरिया. सो डेजर्ट एरिया में जहाँ पे बारिश कम होती है देयर यू कैन फाइंड व्हाट थॉर्नी श्रब्स. ओके, एंड दीज आर यूजुअली फाउंड इन द नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द इंडियन डेजर्ट. एग्जाम्पल्स बाबुल एंड कीकर आर द कॉमन ट्रीज. Tidal forest or mangrove forest. So these forests are found near the sea in a large deltas of the river. You can find this forest where near to the sea. So the trees जो है उसकी जो roots है it is covered with the salt water. मतलब उसकी roots हमेशा wet होते हैं and it is covered with the salt water, नमक के पानी से. Okay, and you can find the delta of the Ganga. These forests are called the Sundarban. So this type of forest you can find in the deltas of the Ganga because of the Sundari trees. The wood of these trees is used for making boats. So this trees wood is used for making boats. Okay, so the trees of the on the deltas have the roots covered with the salt water at high tide. So wherever the Ganga river is flowing, तो उस गंगा रिवर में you can find Sundarban forest. So sir, this Sundarban forest is called as what tidal forest and mangrove forest because it is always wet. नदी के किनारे, गंगा नदी के किनारे जितने भी ट्रीज, जितने भी टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट है उसके रूट्स जो है सॉल्ट वाटर से कवर होते हैं. सो दैट्स योर एग्जांपल इज द सुंदरबन एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्रीज आर कॉल्ड एज व्हाट टाइडल और मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट. नेक्स्ट इज द माउंटेन और एल्पाइन फॉरेस्ट. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड इन द हिमालयास. ये सिर्फ हिमालयास में होते हैं, राइट अबाउट 1500 मीटर्स हाइट. इतने बड़े 1500 मीटर्स हाइट. So and these are they spread all over the area. जहाँ पे भी पूरे हिमालयास में you can find this type of forest and these trees are very tall, as I said you 1500 meters tall. So the forests are called as what coniferous forest because these are very tall trees and you can find in the Himalayas area, Himalayan area. That's why it is called as what coniferous forest. So okay, the trees of these forests have soft wood. The wood is very soft, and the common trees are cheer and deodar. Okay, their wood is used as a timber, furniture, and packing. The pulp of these trees is used to make paper because the wood of these trees are very soft. बहुत नरम होते हैं. That's the reason we use their wood for making furniture, for packing, and for making paper. Right children, so these were the 5 different types of forest which is found in our country. Conservation of forest and efforts of preserve wildlife related to the forest. I'll send you the animated video because this will show how to protect the forest because forest hai, that's the reason we are getting our basic needs. If forest is not there, we will not get our basic needs. Apart from that, the animals which are living in the forest, they will feel inconvenient. They may die or they may leave the forest areas and they can come to the cities and attack the common people, right? So that's the reason it is very important to conserve the forest life. So first you go through this 5 types of forest which is found in our country: evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorny forest, tidal forest, monsoon or alpine forest. Okay children, I'll send you the part 2 as well as the objective and question answers part of this lesson. Till then you go through this lesson. Goodbye.